Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. Today we are going to be making something that is just so easy to make in a pinch, especially when I don't feel like being super overly involved, if that makes sense. All you're going to do is take some frozen pierogis, kielbasa, and onion. I like to top this with bacon, but that's totally optional. You can put it in the oven and just set it for a little bit, and it just cooks in there, and it's perfectly delicious. Say hi. Oh, good job. And this kid loves it, so you know it's got to be good. All right, guys, let's get started. Kiss. Thank you.